Does that work? Sweet. Okay, that works. Welcome to an amazing stream, bro. There's such quality content, guys. Last to leave the game wins a, a victory crown. Yeah. It's like some god awful experience. This is amazing. Oh man, sorry, I just had to get this on a clip. Like, for the record, what's happening basically? There is this glitch where the camera just tweaks out, and this is basically the result of it. Oh no. Oh, GG. Freest victory crown of my life, boys. Yo, if you don't know, you need to get like a victory. Oh, okay, we're not gonna talk about that. Okay. Fucking, we're just full on T-posing. Like, it's so funny. It's like, this is amazing. Oh my god. Oh, I can't imagine the pain Luke is going through right now. Oh, I'm just gone now. I'm just invincible. Like my entire avatar didn't load. This is the funniest shit ever, bro. Like, oh, I've got one win now. That's amazing. Aaron got the fucking 11, bro. Like hell no. You're sweating this game. Why are we sweating, guys? Holy moly, bro. Vic as well. Vic is also sweat. Like Jesus, bro. Just a bunch of heads flying everywhere. Yes, that's the game. Oh, what? I don't know how much I can leak from some games. I don't even know if I'm allowed to play this shit on stream. That's Loki like I'm just doing it. I was like, I'm really not gonna have any viewers anyways. Oh, amazing. Yeah, it's not gonna load asset bundles, is it? Oh, well, actually, maybe. It's stuck. GG's. Amazing. I think the one thing I can for sure show is what airship looks like. And obviously, like, there is a lot of random shit in here that just isn't even like related to anything. Like, this is school stuff. This is school. All of this is school. Apart from this, this is the only non-school project. Actually, this one isn't either. I think that's also an airship test project. Mm-mm. Yeah, I had never really seen object-oriented programming like this till Unity, and I have to admit it might be more goated than Studio programming, as in Roblox Studio programming. The only thing is Roblox Studio gives you the multiplayer, which is very nice. Like you don't have to program all of that yourself. Obviously, Airship also does that. So with Airship, I think this is an amazing solution actually for multiplayer. Only thing is, I know C Sharp, but I don't know TypeScript. So I heard there was something like people were working on something, but I don't know if they'll finish that. Like they were like highly recommended not to make like that plugin. I'm pretty sure. I don't know. I'm looking not too tapped in with it. Like there was in the beginning, I heard people talk about that. Oh, I'm gonna make a plugin for like C sharp. Okay, what the? Okay, nice. Love you, Wacom. Love you, Twin. I don't think this is responding. Yeah, let's just close that off. Uh, Yeah, for the people that don't know how I got involved with airship, is just the airship, airship. Yeah, it's that simple. I just saw it and I was like, yeah, man, sure, let's go. And I jumped in on it. Um, I knew it was gonna come out because unlike some goofy idiots in this world, I actually did look at the job applications from oh fuck, didn't update my package. I did look at the job applications from Easy, and I was like, C sharp programmers, specifically Unity. I was like, oh, interesting, interesting. And then they were like also asking for network engineers and shit, I'm pretty sure, and stuff like that. Actually, I don't know. Is that, I think that was Easy. That was like looking for people that knew how to set up shit like that. Let me see. They probably still got the job listings. Senior software engineer. No, no, no. It was software engineer they were asking for. They were looking for server orchestration, matchmaking, database service, inventory, and game economy. So this is basically someone that can script your back of the stuff. So that's interesting. They were looking for that, and I was like, ah, okay, they're making something. They're cooking something up, and I was like, maybe they'll make a multiplayer game on Unity. I was first thought obviously was they're gonna port over Bedwars. They're gonna make it its own game so they can take all of the revenue. Makes sense, makes a lot of sense. But I also was like, they can't really do that because Roblox is just gonna like be like, and not our characters are not using those, and that would literally waste all their models. They actually did do that, but they also brought out like an entire new platform, which is kind of crazy. Uh, which is Airship. So if you want to see anything on Airship, I can actually show that. There's quite a lot on here. It's just not as huge as like for example, Roblox is like all these games, right? And you have like a good search filter. There's not enough games on this site to have a decent search filter. It's literally just this. This is all there is. Genuinely. Like, we have Conveyor Chaos, which is made by Dodo. We have Bird Defense by, I'm pretty sure it was Luke and someone. Luke and, dude, oh my god. That's silly. I forgot his name. It's not Rascal, because Rascal makes the maps or Bedwars too. It was someone else. Dude with the frog head. What is his name? I don't even remember. Whatever. Eat and Become Big was pretty peak. Um, but that's like more of like an IO game-ish thing, just to test what the engine can do. Then we have Marble Racer. Marble Racer always has people online, made by Luke. It's kind of peak, kind of fun. You have Open Mic, which is always empty. I don't know. Oh shit. Oh oh. We don't talk about that part. Oh, shooting Trackmania controls. Xylex somehow has a -7 second time. If you don't know who Xylex is, then it might not make sense. If you do know who he is, you obviously know why the fuck he has that time. Xylex is granddad. For the people that know, like, you probably remember back in the day seeing like Smoke by Vape V4 or some shit like that when you got killed by a hacker. Like that's because Xylex made that shit and he named it Vape for some reason. Like whatever. He made the Vape client. Um, client. It's not really a client. It's just like a executor. No, it's not even an executor, bro. It's like it's cheats. It's just cheats. It's just cheat software. It's nothing too special. It's just a few scripts you inject and then you're good. I jumped too early, obviously. What the fuck? We all got freaking destroyed by that thing. Okay. Nice, nice. Let's die again. I'm amazing at this, dude. So silly, cause like also like the best time gets shown, so there's no leaderboard, so it's just Xylex. You just see Xylex. You also have Ikarian. Ikarian is like I'm hyped. Forty's made this. Like How can it not be cool? And what is that? That effect was not there last time I played. Okay, we have party. Actually, I already saw that. I already saw you added a party button, which is interesting. The matchmaking is done by the game itself, so they have better matchmaking services than Roblox, it seems like, which is kind of amazing. Also, this is a really cool concept. Like, it's a bit of a dungeon crawler. Look at this. Look at this. If I walk up to the shop, oh, a customer. It's so nice. It's just like those details that I really like. But obviously, the game isn't far yet from like looking at this. If you want to see updates, just go into the Airship Discord. He posts updates there. He just posted like a little monster he was gonna add. It looked really cool, so I'm kind of excited for that one. I don't think he added it into the game yet. I think it was just he was like making it in Unity and he showed a screenshot of that. But yeah, this game is pretty peak. It's not really like a lot going on yet, but like you get the point if you see this, right? Oh wait, what we can do is like this. Oh, you might want to fix that. That's freaking broken. Dude, I can just oh, I cannot leave. Amazing. Oh no, you have to click space. You have to click space to leave, okay. I actually don't think that's a bad mechanic, unironically. How would he fix this? Just by making the hitbox smaller, no? No, not even. Just... No, there's probably a better way to fix it than... Oh, nope, I can't leave it on. It takes a little while to get it. I don't know why that takes so long. Okay. But yeah, you get the point. Like, there's some really cool games on this, so... Love it. Love it, love it. We also got Bird TD. And we got... I can show the lobby of this, I think. Unless there's been testing going on and it's cooked. But, and I can show more, because I can actually show you guys this. Because, well, it's my music, so can't really tell me I can't show it. Like, it's straight up my shit. Who I show it to is literally just my thing. Oh, we don't talk about the BTS cipher. I was doing something in class. We were sillying around with the editor a bit. Let's see. Will it work or am I just gonna yeah. Amazing. Projects. Ah, yes, my favorite. Um Echoes. Actually, this one is also posted in the Discord, I'm pretty sure, but this is the music of the game I'm in right now. No, we gotta be a professional musician actually. We gotta do this. And also, very important that you do this when showcasing. No, bro, like the FL kids are so cringe. They be doing this, bro. Look, 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 look. Alright, guys, we're gonna listen to my amazing song. I have a little bit of fragments on my screen because of the stream, but okay. You guys don't see that. It's just on my screen. What do you think? What do you think, guys? What do you think? Don't you think it's amazing music? Yeah, it's kind of silly. Uh, where is Brain Sport? Huh, my favorite. Yeah, missing textures on a MIDI mapping. Huh. Interesting, interesting. I'm gonna make my own doll at some point, man. This is not it. This is not it. The only thing is making a doll sucks ass. Loki, the thing they're like the senior software engineer, dude. This sounds so much fun. But like what do you need? Node.js, just based TypeScript. Okay, that's fair enough. Document and relatable document and relational databases, event-driven architectures, GCP cloud services. I don't know what the last one is. That's cooked. But yeah, as you can see here, this is kind of crazy. I'd love to do this at some point. This sounds fun. And that might be a little nerdy to say, but like, bro, what the fuck? You know what I'm going to school for. You know that I am literally a nerd. This is the shit I do fucking for school. I sit here and watch this stuff. Oh, fuck. Dude, do you think I could get an internship at easy.gg? I'm pretty sure I need to start planning right now if I want to do that, which is kind of insane. But as y'all know, I'm a fucking European, but I am actually allowed to do it. I'm allowed to approach foreign companies, which is kind of funny. Doesn't make sense, but apparently school supports that. Don't know in what way, but it's possible. Also, if you're questioning, like, how are you gonna pay for that? Um, I'm not. The government is pretty much like, technically I have to pay them back, but like, those are future worries, you know. That's like how that works. But like, no, I'm probably not gonna be able to, cause like it's easy.gg. Let's be real, guys. Like, but would be really fun. That's like, would love to, but like knowledge of what my skill is gonna be in fucking 2 years from now. So like I can't really say, ah yes, let's do this, and then just show up and just be ass. You know what I mean? Anyways, let's try BTD. Just like I don't see people playing Bedwars 2 when the game is literally buns right now. Like it's so buns. It's just tpose bugging out the entire time. Oh, I don't even have the second fucking world. Okay. Also fix this, bro. Like I'm looking at my ass. Like, bro. Like, just please animate it so the character turns around or something. Like, just flip the animations. I don't even know. Do something with it, please. I don't know. Like, I'm low-key too noob in Unity to know if that's possible. I don't know. I'm just saying shit, but like, I myself have no clue if that's possible. Oh, ah, that's that's a huge attack range. Okay, I didn't expect to have such a huge attack range. Nice. Huh. Okay. I see, bird. Yeah, yeah, you do you, man. I won't bother you. This game would be cool if you had like a bounce up, just like Dota Seal did. It would be nice. Now you just really like fall and just get teleported back, which is meh, not fun enough. You know what I mean? What is this music? What is this music? Easy. Care to explain what the hell I'm listening to? Please, please explain the thought process on making this. I'm genuinely confused. This is nice, like the. That's nice. Love that. But like, imagine has decent sound design for like, I don't know if I agree with this in like my first three stages for the music. I I feel like this could be actually never mind. I should not roast it. Like I don't know what I'm yapping about. Like bro, I can't make music like this. So like, what am I yapping about? Actually, I probably could. Hmm. Could I? I don't know. Actually, just don't worry about what I'm saying. Just just ignore me. I think that's the best way. Yeah, best advice I could give right now. You know, I'm buns at everything, so like just don't take anything I say serious. Trust. Yo. No, no, no. What if we do like mm, what if we save yeah, what if we save up for the 650? So bomber, no? I'm pretty sure that's the bomber guy. Let's just spam that dude. Should be pretty easy to make the stages, because like it's not really a hard game overall. It's your average beginner tower defense thing, so you should be able to pretty much complete this easily. I don't even know, bro. Like airship is funny, but it's kind of funky too. Like, what am I looking at? Do, 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 do. Oh, this is like the music, bro. Like, I don't know if I like it or not. It's so like all over the place, bro. This I like. This I like. Do 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 do. This is like free music, or did they actually like have someone compose this? Genuinely, if this is made by thingy, um, yo, I forgot his name. That's terrible. You know exactly what I mean. Uh, their composer, like, dude, Micah. If this is made by Micah, dude, like, what the bro? Like, dang. But the other song, bro, I don't even know. Might have been made while smoking or something. Just sounds like a lot of notes being played. I mean, it's music, yeah, 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 but there's like really like big jumps, which makes it sound like nothing to me. I don't know. That might just be me being a piece of shit. So my bad. But that's my thought on it. Bigger bombs do that. Oh yeah, you can combine items. I forgot that. Forgot about that. Yo, we speak in English today, or oh, I might go to bed in a bit. Let's go watch some solo leveling while this stage is happening. Okay, hold on. Let me turn the freaking main volume off because it's terrible. Actually, never mind. I can't watch that on stream. I think I get fucking cooked if I do that. Dude, I just bought my first manga ever, and it's so silly. It's solo leveling, but then freaking part five because I already know the entire thing. But like five is the one I like the most, so I just bought a physical copy of it. I don't know if that's weird or if that's like something normal that people just do. I was like, too expensive to buy everything, but I'll just buy the one I like the most. think I survived now, no? Should be able to. Please, please, please survive. Like, okay. I guess I'm ass. Well, I'm absolute buns at this game. That's for sure. I'm pretty sure you just need to spam the bomb dudes, but yeah, I'm too lazy to actually like get good. AK, I have a skill issue and I don't want to fix it. Dude, like you guys need to fix this. What do you mean loading assets and we're crashing? Uh, 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 um, yo, can I type 7 returning to the main menu and leaving a game? And like, bro, don't even tell me it's my fucking processor or some shit, because it's just not. It's just not. Okay, wait. That might actually be cooked. Maybe. Actually, I can show you guys. This is not too bad. Yeah, this is maybe a little more stupid to show, but like, meh. Where's my fucking device thingies? 32 gigabytes of RAM. Fucking i7 14650 HX thingy. And then for the GPU, this is a laptop, so let's see what do we have in there. NVIDIA app. Boom. A graphics card system. Video. My rig. The driver, whatever. Microsoft, yep. RTX 5070 laptop GPU, yep. And yes, I'm using the game ready driver. Is that bad? Don't know. I should probably just use like a studio driver. No? Is that not like smarter? Just use this. I don't know. I feel like using a game ready driver is just a fucking terrible idea. On the other side, I do game on this, so might as well. Just put fixed. But yeah, this is airship. I have to admit, what do you mean we're running a compiler? Yo, we good? I don't think that's my game, man. What do you mean why is the compiler not, bro? Is it because I use fucking the other thingy now? Might be. It works again. So yep. Please run. Okay, wait. First of all, um, Oh yeah, no, let's do that. Free aspect. Play, minimize, maximize, so gizmos. No, don't put gizmos on, please. Don't do that. What is in here? Why do I have an event system? Okay, Jesus. I don't even want to look at whatever the fuck's going on. How do I server mode shared default? I'm getting slightly confused, but it's fine. Why am I allowed to publish? What? Ah, yeah, amazing. Airship rendering. Where's the floating platform exactly? Where is that gonna pop up? Over here somewhere, I think. No? Yo, where's the platform? Like, yo, look at the scene real quick. Yo, scene. Oh, yeah, it's over there. Now I missed it. Okay, amazing. Let's just actually we could just drag this back down for real and then move it. Yeah, no, I did I. Yeah, I stick this. Oh my, yo, I'm smart, but like stupid at the same time. Oh my, yo. Oh, oh. How about where is the yo. Okay, yeah. How about you just completely move with me? Okay, I forgot this is not as easy as it looks. Okay. Um, how about we just stand still for a sec and then let the platform like appear from under us and then just have a fun time looking at a platform coming up from under us. This took me fucking 20 minutes to figure out, by the way. This is like me installing TypeScript and everything. I literally was so confused. I've never been this confused in my life while trying to code. It's kind of funky. It was so silly. And like now my graphics look like I'm freaking playing a PlayStation 2 game, which is interesting because it shouldn't look like that. Last time I checked, I put my graphics on something higher than this. Why is this skill as well? It's like so silly, bro. Why is it so silly? No, don't go there. Okay. Amazing. I don't remember how to do this, dude. Oh, that's terrible. Frank, people are gonna hate me for this. Oh, I don't know. I forgot. Forgot how to do the thing. But like, how does loading scenes work? Do I just have to load them the same way I just load Unity scenes? I just choose scene servers and then I load a scene? Or how does Airship handle this? Mm. Oh, we're on the App Store now. Nice. Okay, let's just not read the comments from little kids. I have to admit, I don't know what the huh. I don't know what TypeScript changes compared to the what. Yo, we're gonna ask ChatGPT to give this to me. Imagine I'd run TypeScript on Unity. I keep the object-based programming, but I just change the language. What would be the major changes? Unity magically support a TypeScript, yeah, you know. Yeah, yeah, we know that's literally what I told you, that that remains. I mean, that makes sense. Let speed number equals 5. I don't know why it does double dot. That's different than what I remember, but no, no, I think like I told him to use object-oriented programming, right? Or did I say it in some really silly way? Object-based, amazing. Modules versus classes. Yep. You really didn't give me shit. Okay. Then let's just try some stuff, you know? Because like we have TypeScript scripts in here. My teachers are gonna hate me for this because they're gonna have to fix this shit when I get back to school and I need to use C Sharp and I don't know how to fucking switch it back. But like, I really don't care. So, oh, I love my life. Let's go onto the cube script because yeah. Oh, actually, I configured this the right way. Somehow I configured this the correct way. That's amazing. Okay. I don't know why I did it this way. This is kind of silly. Override update DT number void. DT number? What do we need DT number for? What is that? What does that? Uh, uh, print DT. Debug dot log. Debug dot console dot log. Did they change it to console dot log? There is no way. We cannot be real. Yeah, I guess we could access this. Just do it this way. Maybe this doesn't work. I could have fucking known. Console like debug dot. Does this work? Do you have support for this? Please. Please that we have support for this. Okay. So, how exactly do we debug .log? I I'm so confused because I see a number and I don't know what it is. I can guess it might be the amount of updates, which would equal to the amount of played frames, but uh, yeah. There's some questionable shit that happens in this game, Loki, and bro, I don't understand half of the scripts I'm like reading or writing or doing anything with. I think the first thing we just need to do is like understand what the fuck my log is doing, because I would love to have like log dev console. Oh. Okay. Wait, random. You're not telling me you changed. Oh, this is actually not a bad change. I like this. Actually, did they even? This looks fine. There's no real. That looks. Hmm. 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 Cool. Okay. Resources folder. Hmm. Some peak stuff. Keyboard, mouse, actions. Destroy. Oh, nice. That's really nice. Cool that they give that extra. Easy shake. Okay, cool. Like these are not bad things. When I'm most like, can you tell me why my like, am I just doing debug.log in some really weird way? Am I just silly me just doing it the wrong way myself? Because I thought this was how it worked. Platform services. Accessing other components. This is very important. This dot add component. This dot game object dot add component box collider. This dot game object dot add airship component test. Oh, okay, cool. Okay. Wouldn't be able to do shit with this probably, but I have to admit this is pretty nice. I do know we have a little guide on Steam made by the guy I was playing with, Nufi. So no, actually, I think Dodo runs it. Does Dodo run it or does Nufi run it? This is a very good question. I don't know. Figure it out. I don't have Dodo still edit. Where have you? What? One minute played recently. What? Can I find the airship documentation made by Thingy? Show off? Where's docs? Like, docs were made a while back, so I'm guessing it's somewhere here. It's not airship tracker. Dodo uprising isn't it either. Render slash art. Chat customization package. Stranded. Iris random stuff. Fashion house. Cool content for Bedwars 2. Industrial. Test Tycoon. Bunch of things I worked on. Airship tutorials. Learn programming beginners. Yes, we're redoing this one. This is this is giving me freaking first class vibes, bro. This is literally like your first programming class you'll ever get into. Don't be surprised if your teacher comes walking in with peanut butter jelly and a sandwich, like a whole box of bread, and he's gonna be like, "Okay, guys, now I want you to write down exactly how I make this peanut butter jelly sandwich." And then he's just gonna sit there. Actually, he's gonna stand there, and he's just gonna do exactly what is on your piece of paper. And he's gonna be like, "This is programming. Make sure to be exact, because otherwise the computer will not understand you." It's so funny. They did that with us as well, and like I'm pretty sure one of the teams like didn't specify how much was supposed to go on, or something silly like that, and our teacher was just fucking full smearing that shit on, and it was so funny. It was like it was just a peanut butter sandwich with like little bit of jelly. It was goofy as fuck. Actually, we didn't even have jelly. I'm pretty sure they just had peanut butter. They were just goofing around with that, but whatever. You get the point. Take a piece of bread out of the wrapper. Set the bread on the cutting board. Repeat last two actions. Pick up jelly. No, I already see problem. You didn't specify where to put it on the cutting board. Now he's just gonna put two pieces of fucking bread on top of each other. Life knife up. Nice one. No, can't hate. Can't hate. Makes sense. Makes sense. This is good explanation. This is a really nice way to explain it. The peanut butter jelly sandwich is like what everyone does know. I'm pretty sure. Let's get to actual programming. I want to learn how to use Airship. That's the point. I just genuinely don't know what I'm doing in TypeScript. That's my biggest issue right now. And I don't know. I just hate reading, I guess. GG's. My first game. VS Code, yeah. Makes sense. File. Yeah. Mm-hmm. I honestly just double click it and I just don't care. Oh, he does that too, bro. That was just a setup. Nice one, man. Nice one. I should like look at shit before I speak. Oh, wait. Oh, they just use print. Oh my god. I was like, why does console.log not work? And why does this not work? This is like TypeScript, right? But obviously, they just use print. And if I fucking looked at my own script, I would have fucking saw it. Okay, nice. Okay, so we just do print, and then I'm gonna print whatever the fuck this is. Because I'm fucking annoyed and I want to know what this is. I don't know how smart this is. This might just not work. Amazing. Can we print high? Settle out? Guess not. Is this just not how it works? Is that the problem here? Is it the fact that it's an update? Is that an issue? Is that like the big um 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 Oh, I don't like remember how this worked. Oh, amazing. I'm so smart. How about why did I write it like that? Yo. Don't fucking mind me fixing code of my own. Like, what is that? What? Okay, I'm fucking silly. I'm a little bit of a silly goober. Anyways, just do it like that. And it's still fucking terrible. Just do it like that. Just do it like that, bro. Oh, I get so annoyed of myself. Genuinely, bro. Like, what am I doing? Okay, now we can just do print dt and get whatever the fuck this is. I want to know what this is. That's literally the entire like. Oh, maybe we. Mm, mm. I mean, the chances the log crashes here are pretty huge, but like I really don't care enough. It's like the 5070 should hold up for a bit. So, oh, this fucking delta time, of course. That makes so much more sense. Oh my god, I'm such a fucking idiot. I am such a fucking idiot. That makes so much sense. Okay. Amazing. Oh god, bro. This calls himself a developer. Like, bro, what am I doing? What am I doing? I can barely use C sharp and I'm fucking trying to learn TypeScript out here for Unity. Like, this is silly. This is really silly. I don't think this is tutorials of any use now. I might come back to it when I get stuck again. Just to watch. Don't know. Character camera, customized camera. This gives me a bit of a headache just looking at it. I don't know how much info just gets sent on the server and what is local and what is on the server. So that's like, I might need to read about that. But I guess I'm just gonna locally do shit now because I don't really know what I'm doing server related. Like, I don't have experience with that. It's probably gonna be easier than average like servers. Like, I don't know, man. I think it's gonna be harder than Roblox, but obviously easier than like making your own shitty multiplayer system. I can't even make a local multiplayer without making it fucking terrible. Maybe I should just do that in a bit. I might try to make my kuru 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 in local, just for like local multi, just for funnies, funsies. Jesus, but that would probably require like how am I gonna do that with the camera? Just like put it in like an estimated position between the players and then just like zoom out the further they get apart. Like that could work, but like. Ugh. It's a bit of a weird way to do it. Yeah, ChatGPT can probably help me with the calculations. I'll just write the code. Uh, Development 101, ChatGPT exists. Yeah, no, don't take that. No, you did not take that from me. I have a funny little note here that says I will never use ChatGPT during classes, which so far so good. I mean, I haven't. I haven't. I know some other people have and are daily. I mean, I do use it, but like not like to explain stuff. Like I allow it to explain some stuff, and then I fact check it. But it's just way quicker to just type it into ChatGPT, which is also a bad habit. But like who said I was smart? Don't mind me looking at job applications. Anyways, bro, dude, like stalking the easy.gg job applications might be the best thing to do ever. You'll literally figure out what they're doing. Like that's how I knew like Airship was coming out. Like, or at least they were making a Unity project. It's so smart, bro. Movement data, character radius. Radius the width and depth of the bounding box. Okay, that makes sense. Core variables for moving the character. Speed, acceleration force, sprint acceleration force. Only sprint for, okay. Crouching, specific modifiers for the crouch state. Okay, that's cool. Number of jumps, jump speed, number of jumps. Pause, what? Can I just give this guy more jumps out of nowhere just because I want to? So like if I maybe not do that. Wait, actually maybe we should do that because where's the player? I literally don't know where anything is. This is the character. I don't know if I should be looking in this folder. I also don't know what like how do you get the local player? Do you just do like how do you get the local player? Maybe we should figure that out. We should figure out how to do that first. Yeah, that sounds reasonable. As a freaking noob developer, I will figure this out, trust. Character movement data. Maybe this isn't where I should start. Maybe I should start with characters. Oh, okay. So that's like how to get a prefab. I don't know how you exactly do that, but like this is like airship characters, right? Okay, so what if we just like control C that and just put it into a specific folder, or we just put it in here for the funsies. And we call it char because funny. Um, I still remember people used to do that on the thingy all the time. Actually, maybe I shouldn't be fucking around with this. Maybe I should just be like focusing on what I was gonna do. Yeah, that's kind of real. Okay, mm, mm, mm. New character does wait for in. What is a wait for it? Okay, cool. Print character spawned plus new character dot get display name. This is actually like, wait, I probably. Fuck's sake, I still have this stupid thing running. Why am I running this? Why exactly did I do this? This is so silly. Just get this out. Also, why didn't I just nicely, like, neatly fix the thingy? God. I'm guessing I didn't sync that. That's fine. I don't really care about that too much. What I mainly care about is that I figure out where the hell. Oh my. I'm doing some silly shit today. I can just go up in the logs and just go to like. Boom. Okay, so this is actually something they just. The character system is a way to easily manage entities in your game in a session. Wait, so they just have like. Wait, is this what they did? Am I silly or is this what they mean by that? Probably not. This is probably not what they mean. That's like silly as fuck. No, they just have it in there already. It's just like this. Uh, maybe it isn't that easy. Maybe I should actually like read like start in the beginning and read everything because this is like the most silly way to figure shit out. This is gonna take me hours just doing absolutely nothing that makes sense. This is like gonna be the most terrible experience ever. My God, stop spamming my logs. Like Jesus Christ. Okay, at least it stopped now. Like the fuck. Oh wait, it's because I turned the game off. Amazing. So it's just printing the entire time. Nice. Um, I still have no clue what the fuck I'm doing, so that's amazing too. What I'm wondering is, will they add 2D? 2D would be kind of fun. I feel like they should do that. Because, like, it's practically the same. It's just your camera is forced to be two-dimensional looking. Like, it don't rotate, basically. Hmm. It would be kind of fun. I don't know how easy it is to do with what they created so far. Airship.characters. Oh, okay, now I got it. Okay, so now we got something, and now we can just add this default code because, we're not rewriting something that someone already did. We're not reinventing the wheel here. We need the basic stuff. We don't need something crazy. This should be enough. My character is quite interesting. Yeah, maybe we should be reinventing the wheel here. Because my character obviously doesn't exist. Yeah, this makes sense. This is something that makes sense. We should do this. Uh, don't even ask me what the fuck why it's so unreadable. It's because I just don't really. I'm tired. I'm just doing random shit. And it should now. Ah, hmm, hmm. Character spawn player one, but like every single second. Like, we real? Did this just run every single time a new character gets added, or do we like? Am I like forcing it to do shit? Oh wait, yeah, no, I'm just being silly. I'm letting this run every single time. I should probably make a function that just fires whenever it figures like out there's a new player that I haven't added to a list chat or something silly like that. Like, I don't know if that's the best way to do it. They probably already have something for this. Let's just see if they have something for that. And I fucking removed my default class like an idiot. The bracket for the default class. Amazing. And now I just removed the entirety of my update and okay. I swear I'm silly today. Like, this is my silly day or some shit. Like, I'm just not really feeling it today. Being smart is something for tomorrow, I guess. Um, because not today. We're not being smart today. Yep, that's for sure. Well, guys, it's obvious that I'm an absolute skid. Oh, that's amazing, bro. The worst thing is that I'm not, bro. Like, bro, this is my education. This is what I do daily for like 5 hours. Hey, 5 hours is actually an understatement, bro. Like, how long was my school day today? I don't know if I can show this. So, take this. Yeah, boom. Be right back. Uh, my ex. No, not my games. My ex. That's what I was looking for. I was at school for like from 9 to. It's like almost 7 hours of programming. It's not because, of course, breaks, but yeah, that was pretty bad. It's not fun when you're just doing that for a while. You're the thing that you can log in on your emails, please. What? I'm reading random shit. Hold on, video. There it is. Uh, I'm reading random shit and it's just really confusing to me. What am I looking at? Someone explain this to me. I don't get this. Please, because I pressed the Steam button, so I can't log in on my phone. Oh, cooked. Well, um, dude, the thing is, like, I don't know how worth it is to just, like, do this right now. I might just, like, fucking exit this, you know, and then just, like, start doing what I was gonna do. Do we just give this multiplayer? Like, why not? Loki, it shouldn't be hard to spawn into characters. That's, like, number one of the story. It shouldn't be hard to spawn a second character. Yeah, let's just go into the game field. Add a funny little canvas. UI canvas. We should just name it canvas. Fuck it. Yeah, this is gonna be huge, but that doesn't really matter because we're just gonna put it on. Not that. Not real space. Camera. Uh, camera. Main camera. Plane. Yeah, no, just do this. This is probably fine. I think it's just over the camera now, correct? I think it works. Yeah, just exactly on the camera now. Perfect. Okay. So now we just go into the canvas, go to UI, add button, call this like add player. This is gonna be the silliest multiplayer ever, of course. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we're using like some old version of Unity, so I also need to remove some very specific settings and shit. Uh, fuck, where's the layer? Order layer. Like put it on like something high, like 10 or something, bro. Like it should be very high up. Yep, that makes sense. I like order layers. They're amazing. I don't know if I can anchor this and how that works. Like what a nice way to anchor is. I would not have a clue. This looks decent. Yeah, that looks like it's anchored. Okay. Amazing. It's because I put it on the middle line, of course, so that's pretty easy. Yeah, let's just put it like down a little more, so it's not as freaking in the way as it is right now, because now it's just annoying. Yeah, but now it's gonna move out of the screen because, well, again, that sucks. Yeah, I should put it in the middleware. Looks better. Okay. Add player. Let's just not be too crazy about this and just. Hmm. What would I need to change in my gamer controller? Gamer controller. Oh, interesting name. Don't mind me just fuck man. Is that in the play? It's probably in the player, isn't it? Oh god, no. Oh no. I do have a player script. Okay, proud of myself. Game controller should fix the camera now because the camera is supposed to go between two players. Yeah, so I don't know what is. what is the game controller added to? Like what uses this little game controller thing? Gamer controller. Like it's called game controller. Piece of shit. Get out. Remove this. Drag in this. There you go. Way better. Totally nothing changed, but I don't think this should be in the main camera though. I think this is kind of silly. I feel like I should fix this with a new game object and then just like read empty. Just call this like game uh, scene. Yeah, what do I even call this? Controller. Game manager. I didn't have one, right? No, I didn't. Okay, good. Add component. Actually, just don't add component. Just can start with this, I guess. What is player? Is that a camera? Pretty sure player is supposed to be a camera, isn't it? Yeah, now we're gonna break the game. Hmm. That's because of this not being correct. This should have this linked. That's the first like stupid mistake. Oh, it's also the only mistake that really broke everything. Amazing. That's great. So now we have time to fix the rest of the janky shit that I just did. Hold on, let's first try out this real quick. Gotta make it. Oh, okay. Silly hitboxes. Boom. It'd be funny to port this, maybe airport this to airship. Yo, airport this? What? Yo, yo. Oh yeah, this seems to be funny. Okay. We should port this to airship for real. I think I should do that. It sounds like a good idea, Loki. I don't even think it's that bad of an idea. Why not do that? I might just do that. You know what? We're doing that. F it. Why not? Oh my god, I sound like a nerd. Yo, I just realized. Doesn't matter. Okay. Um, okay. So, what we have to do. Okay, now I just randomly don't. Like, nice, bro. I don't understand myself. Yeah, before I kill myself, let's fix this. Oh, fuck, I'm a YouTuber. Okay, nice. YouTube's gonna like that a lot. Hmm. In game, I was gonna reset character. Hmm. Hmm. There's like a lot of random objects just floating around. Maybe I should add like a little map to the thing, because now it's gonna get really confusing, but it doesn't really matter, I think, I guess, for now. Whatever. We should add layer into this for sure, but I think we're just gonna connect camera so that main camera doesn't have to have this goofy ass script in here. It's gonna freaking remove component. Thank you. That's what I was searching for. And then we're just gonna go into the game controller script and yeah, we're just gonna add a second serialized field and then just private transform camera. Make these public actually. Why not? Yeah, sounds fun. Why not? Yo, is camera just something I can call whenever? Okay, so we don't even need this, so this is fine. We can handle it just by doing this. That's amazing. I didn't know Unity had that. Like, they just have a current camera system and then that works. I think that just is what it is, right? It's just current camera and then that will run and then I'm fine. Yep. That's literally all it is. Because my main camera doesn't have this, but Game Manager does. So it's just working because Game Manager has this script. Amazing. Unity, my goat. Like, genuinely 10 times better than some of the other engines I've used in the past. Um, the thing is, I only have this sprite. So, first of all, I think we're gonna make player into a prefab. For the reason that player is just player, and player should be accessible as a prefab. Because otherwise, I'm not gonna be able to spawn him. Um, yeah, so let's just do that. Then we're gonna have to clone prefab, and like, I have to be honest, I am fucking ass at this. So I'm gonna have to think about how I did this. Amazing. Thank you, Greg. Don't care. Don't care again. Dude, I just want to know how to initialize. Okay. Instantiate. That's it. That's what I'm searching for. Like, genuinely, this is how I am. But it doesn't really matter because I found it. um, I think the first thing we should do is figure out game states. We need game states here. So first things first, do you do public enum? Does this work? Will this just allow me to make game states? Of course not. I did make game states before, I think it was for like some memory game, so we'll just open that real quick. I think it's this one. I hope it's this one, because otherwise it's gonna be pretty fucking cooked. Oh, and by the way, I'm also doing augmented and extended like just extended reality at school. That shit is low-key peak. I don't know. I might want to do that. Like, it's so much fun. I don't know why. I was gonna do game dev, but it's basically the same with the difference that I don't only get to make games. I get to do shit with like hardware and I get to like play around with stuff and just like have fun in lessons. Actually, that's not really what the point is, obviously, but you get the idea. It's like way better. Oh, wait, is this? No, no, I forgot where the card is. Oh my God, how bad can I be? Oh, wait, yo, amazing. I don't know if I still know it, where, yo, oh my, that's a very different character. What are those spawn spots, right? Uh, yeah, okay, that's a decent. That's not a very good guess, is it? I'm god awful at this. Anyways, this is not what I was here for. I'm playing shit, but like I should be fixing it. Prefab instantiate, that's what I'm searching for. No. Game states. That's what I'm searching for. Public enum game status. Ah, that's it. I need to give it a name, of course. That kind of makes sense, you know. Otherwise, I don't know what I'm gonna call it with. But like that kind of makes sense. Oh, not this one. No. Which one of the files? This is that Kuru. This one. Okay, so let's see. What can we add as game states? We just add like is no playing, adding player. No. This is like more of a different thing. Um, playing, adding player, and then else it should just be like crashed, something around that line, like or like no, just do no. No could be funny. No, let's just do this. Let's just do playing and adding player. That kind of makes sense for now. And then we just do public what? Public. How did I do this? What do I call this? Like there's like a second variable, right? You have like the public enum, and then you should have like um. Oh wait, I can just create the enum even without like having the thing initialized. I could just do this, and do this, and do boom. And that will work. And then now we just do. Where did I put it? Yo, hang on targets, floats, transforms, game public game status. Yo, nice one. Yeah, I already knew what I was gonna do. Mm, gain state. Yeah, man. And then we just call that game state. Game states dot adding player. we should just fire something that adds a player to the game. So we just do private void, and then we just start fucking voting. Like, don't mind how silly this looks. I understand my code is fucking terrible, and I'm doing weird shit again. Okay, I am not awake. See, is it 11? Yeah, it is 11. Fucking makes sense. Oh yeah, let's make it outside of the. Oh yeah, yeah. Let's make it outside of the thing. Yes, please make it outside of the thing. Should this not return a? No, 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 it shouldn't. Yeah, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna initialize another player, which means there's gonna be two players on the screen. Which, yeah, I mean, it's just gonna be a second player, and he's just gonna have different controls added, and that's basically all there is to it. So it shouldn't be too hard. It's just that my brain is fried right now. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm literally just gonna fucking bang my head against the wall for the rest of the day. Oh, this is also tweaking. 2015 last save? Did I just say that? Oh my god, what the fuck is my band lab on? Wrapped. Alright. Wait, I'll show the wrapped on stream. I hope she ain't watching because that shit is cooked. That shit is so cooked. I swear to fucking god, bro. Oh, you can't even do that on your fucking. Alright, I'll just name them. Okay, most listened artist of the year. This is why I'm so scared of this. Central fucking C. Yes. Most listened genre, drill. Secondary to that, it's all classical music or film compositions. It's like it doesn't make sense. I don't know how I did it, but somehow I listened to more drill this year than to anything else. Like it's fucking annoying, bro. Like look at this shit. Hold on, where is the screenshot? Where is the screenshot? I think it's here. Should be here. um, yeah, let's choose this group. This is my friends. This is mine, sadly enough. 2,000 minutes of Sench. Like, how did I survive? How did I get to this point in the year? Like, that doesn't make sense. Um, bro, I swear, like, people are actually tuning into this shit. I'll boot up Airship just for that. Pretty sure I have Airship key on the account. Yes, yes. Yes, I'm on the same fucking Steam account. It doesn't matter. Um, no, it's still going on. What the fuck? Why is conveyor chaos active? What? Hold on. Oh no, it's gonna crash again. Dude, this is why I'm not on, like, the thing actively. It's just so annoying. Yeah, 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 laugh at me, laugh at me. Laugh at me, though, bro. I'm gonna get fucking killed today, I swear. Like, Soup always says, ah, if your rapt is gonna have a, or no, that's not even a right rap. It's just like, if you go to UK again, I will literally block you. And I'm like, bro, first of all, it's not that deep. Second of all, no worries. I don't really do anything with that. But somehow I still got 2K listening hours on that fucking. I think I just listened too much like diverse stuff because I have 84 or 85, like maybe even 88,000 listening minutes this year. So Like, I had a lot. I saw people with like ridiculous amounts, like 300k. I don't even know how you do that. Is there even 300,000 minutes in a fucking, or is there people like using multiple people on one account or something? Like that should confuse the fuck out of me. Um, Conveyor chaos is active. Like, how does that work? How do you get this game to be active? Do we just join? Oh no, it's solo service. Okay, great. You didn't even ask me for this one, by the way. I mean, Loki, the song is peak, so can't hate. I swear I'll make music for his next game. I don't care. Actually, his next game is probably like. Actually, I can't spoil that. I'm on stream. Actually, can I spoil that? I'm pretty sure he spoiled it himself. It's like he's just not even that serious. It's like more of a test than an actual game. He was playing around with the Fox world, to say the least, and saving the Fox world. I'll say that. Still too much info already, but oh well. 24. That's actually not that bad for just being absolutely terrible. All right. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. This is like a really creative game, Loki. Oh fuck. Can we double bind on this, or is that gonna break it? I'm kind of like scared for that. That it might break the game if I double bind F on both drop and grab. Playing it pretty safe right now, but I'm still making it happen somehow. I mean, it's Loki just luck sometimes, because like if you get a lot of the orange, you technically get the best time now. Like, or no, 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 it's oh my god, that was terrible. That's gonna reduce points for my thingy. Yeah, yeah, no, the orange one is the closest technically. Okay, 27. That's like one extra point. It's not great, not great. We should be able to do 30 this time. 30. The packet stack, so you should be able to. If you do all of them, you get like 90, 29 something. Mistake. I look and need more packets because it's just not spawning fast enough. For my insane mechanical speed, bro. I'm so good mechanically at this game. I'm so good at this random airship game where you sort packets. No, I don't know, but this is like it's a really good game, but it's like the gameplay loop is this, and I'm playing it, so I can't really judge. We need more. This isn't intense enough. Still keep peak though, and I made another mistake. I'm just silly as fuck. I could have gone like 29 at least there if I didn't make mistakes. Like at the same time, I made like a mistake there again. Dude, I want to play this, but it's like 70 gigabytes. Like fucking 70, bro. 70 gigabytes. Soundtrack's Clair Obscur. I have the Clair Obscur soundtrack, but not the fucking thing itself. Do I have the full definitive? Oh, base game product. So they sell the base game on the game. for $20. I see. That's kind of silly, but funny. What else can I do? Let's not play this. Pretty fun game, but like, dude, 102 gigs though. But like, oh, peak. Yeah, it is what it is. I had a good time in this game. It was a fun game. I'll update this. Oh, yeah, you can update this too. Oh wait, it needs to run separately, obviously. My bad. I mean, they're cute, so that's fine. I'll just do their shit. What is Zomborg? Why do I have this? Yeah, like it's so real. I probably just added a free game to my library. This is so silly. Why did I do this? PoE, bro. Ooh. I want to play this game, Loki. Should I play this game? I probably should, right? Like it's kind of peak. Like I haven't seen too much, but like let's just look at some videos then. I haven't like watched a lot of PoE. Okay, this is like just announcement videos and shit. It's not interesting. What the fuck? This game is peak. I forgot how amazing this was. Like, bro, dungeon crawlers in general, bro. Like, late game. Oh, give me more. It's just getting there is just so fucking like I don't have time for this shit, Loki. If my teachers are gonna look in the fucking GitHub right now, it's cooked. I'm getting fried from 5 different directions. Like, bro, what am I making right now? It's terrible. And I'm doing this instead of sleeping, which if I'm too late tomorrow, y'all know what I'm doing. I'm just doing this shit till late in the night. Anyways, um, why am I doing this like this? I mean, I guess just fire this once and then we just. I feel like this is gonna fire more times than once. No, actually, because it has to run every single piece of code that is queued before running the next frame, no? I guess how frames work, right? Right? Pretty sure. We'll just fucking bet on it. So we've add player, then we just do I don't remember how to do this. Is that bad? Probably. We're just gonna go into this huge ass list of scripts. Search for initiate initialize. I forgot how to do this. Instantiate. That's it. Instantiate. I can do this. I got this. Don't know if this will work, but we'll see. Wait, isn't player literally... Bro, you're just gonna copy that thing. That's just not gonna do anything. Okay, so we need to figure out what we need to send to it. How did I do that here? It's like you got like in game, you have like card go.get component and then we get card, which card is set here. Card sec equals trap card. I don't remember. There's so many card thingies in there. Card is just the mono behavior class. So we're just getting this. What's in that object that is so special to this then? Bro, I literally don't know. I forgot how this works. I genuinely have no clue how this worked. Yeah, we're just gonna add the player prefab to the controller. Um, because we're peak. We're good like this. Like we got this. Like this is not because I'm lazy. Um, it's just because I'm lazy. Player prefab. Okay, and then like after you instantiate, what then? How about you do that in game? Very fucking helpful. Okay, yeah, so we got player prefab and we instantiate that. That's just all we need to do. Of course I didn't connect the button, because why would I? Shouldn't it be checking and then... Um, believe it or not, this might fix everything. I don't know yet, but we'll see. Huh. That was fucking amazing. Great experience. 10 out of 10. Maybe I should add something to that little initialize, like this field has to have like a little player prefab in there, you know, like that would be, yeah. Yeah, now we just have two players that both get controlled by the same person. So if I wiggle a little bit, yeah, they could freaking move both the wrong way and just collide with each other. That's awkward. Okay, so how do I fix this? Not, you just don't. If you're in this position, you're just cooked. You're fried. But they don't have to touch the wall. They can just touch each other and they'll die already. Okay, that's interesting. So what we have to first do is make sure they can collide with each other. Don't know how I do that. Um, is there like a specific thing I can do for that? We're gonna, oh wait, can we add a new tag? Like, you have like overrides. No, you have like tags, right? So, how do I do that? Untagged? Player tag, right? So this is the player, so it has to have a player tag. This is also a player. Should also have the player tag, right? So now we have player tag, and can we just like, don't know if this works. Mm, layer. How do I add layers? Add layer, user layer. Call this layer the player layer. God damn, I'm smart. Anyways, now that we have a player layer, getting funny as fuck, of course. We do exclude layers, player. And your own layer. Where do I see that? Would this work? Oh, you can just put it in. No, we can't use the. Force use Arabic numerals. No. Sorry. How do I see what my sorting layers are? Where do I have that again? So this doesn't really matter. Just keep it on keep it on 3 then. And then we just go into the prefab. We added this piece of shit, and yes, it's a different one because oopsie, I guess. Can we bother fixing that now? So now we pretty much have it at a point where the players shouldn't collide with each other and break it. But I could be mistaken here. I could have just made them each other's priority for all I care. Oh yeah, no, this works. Player, no, game game manager, and then playing to add player. Yeah, now they can just be on top of each other and not care about each other at all. There you go. So now you can pretty much just play the game with two characters without actually having the trouble of two characters, basically. But yeah, of course it needs to be mapped to different controls and stuff, but for now this is pretty much what I was looking for. Two players that can be moved, like basically two prefabs. This works, right? I'm kind of wondering how many prefabs it has right now. Does it still have two players, or did it just no? It just reloaded the scene. So now if I add a new player in, will that just happen? No, playing to adding player. How many can I add? There's a few things that just went wrong. Very, very, very wrong. Okay, so it is possible to play, but it's just like really janky because everything is being weird about everything. Like little bugs, they're everywhere, bruh. Get off me. They're connected to my camera, but they are not like. Actually, they're not connected to my camera. They're connected to my controls, but not to my camera. That's what I was trying to say. Hi, little guys. Oh, oops. Oh, I'm stuck with the little guys again. Okay. They do collide. Like, this is so weird. They're supposed to exclude each other, no? Did I not tell them that? You're supposed to exclude player layer. Okay, nice. So apparently I didn't tell it to exclude the player layer. I just set the layers. That's fucking smart. So let's just do that. And then also here, exclude player. Yeah, no, I did. That's why the collision on my character didn't work. And did in fact just ignore the others. Can This is silly shit to do, like late at night, just building this for whatever reason. This thing's god awful, man. How am I ever gonna play with this? Oh, clutch. I mean, shit, they're gonna die eventually. I think they might die here actually, because I don't know if I can get that through. Hey, I can. Okay, somehow. It's also possible. Okay, or I just fucking butcher it. Yo, you guys are turning, but I'm not, so I need to also touch that, if you don't mind. There you go. We only have two left, and this is like the most awkward position to be in. Ooh. Is the rotation speed different for both? That's like so weird. Like it's almost hard to play this just because those things are there. Yeah, I'm feeling a little bit of lag now, and it's only at like a few clones. That's not amazing. I'm actually not lagging. That's just me tweaking. pretty cool. It's actually so sick. Oh, oh, I was just moving things through, but that wasn't my own character. I don't know where my own guy is. I think he's over there. Yeah, that's him. No, no, no. Take the pad. Yeah, we got it. Oh, guess that was not my character. Now we hit it. Or not. Okay, now I have a good idea of where my character is. There you go. Then it's easy. Yeah, I'm fucking around too much with this. Let's just make the multiplayer tomorrow for real. Like I'm not feeling this. It's 11:46. I should go to bed. You know? I'm so responsible. It's just totally not because I just don't want to be fucking with this anymore. Like it's over, bro. Like I did enough of this. Whatever this even is. All right, I'll see y'all tomorrow when I'm gonna finish this, I guess. Bye. Good.